Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about subtraction of integers. We can subtract the integers using the number line. We can also subtract the integers without using the number line. We will see both of the methods in this video. Steps for subtraction using number line. The first step, start at 0 facing positive direction. The second step is watch the first number. If it is positive number, move forward according to the absolute value. If it is negative number, move backward according to the absolute value. Third step is for subtraction action, turn towards the negative side. The fourth one is watch the second number. If it is positive number, move forward according to the absolute value. If it is negative integer, move backward according to the absolute value. Now the number where you landed is the answer. So these are the steps involved. Now let us take an example. 3 minus minus 4. First we draw a stick figure with face seeing towards the positive direction. Here we are having the positive number 3 as the first number. So we should move forward 3 steps. First step, second step, third step. Now we draw the same stick figure at the new position at 3. Now listen, we are going to subtract. So for the subtraction action, we have to turn the face of our stick figure towards the negative side. What's the next number? It's a negative number, minus 4. So we have to move backward according to the face of the stick figure. Here the face of the stick figure is facing towards the negative side. So moving backward means moving forward on the number line. So don't confuse with them. First step, second step, third step, fourth step. Now we have moved 4 steps backward according to the face of the stick figure. Where did we land on? 7. So the answer is 7. That is 3 minus minus 4 equals 7. Let us take another example. Minus 5 minus minus 2. A negative number minus another negative number. First step is draw a stick figure with face seeing towards the positive direction. Here we are having a negative number as a first number. So we should move backward 5 steps. Why should we move 5 steps? Because the absolute value of minus 5 is 5. Now draw the same stick figure at the new position. Then what should we do? Here we are going to subtract. So we have to turn the face of our stick figure towards the negative side. Now the second number is minus 2. So we have to move backward according to the face of the stick figure. So we are going to move backward first step, second step. So where did we land on? At number minus 3. So the answer is minus 3. That is minus 5 minus minus 2 equals minus 3. Let us try with another one. Minus 3 minus 4. The first number is negative number and subtraction action and a positive number. What's the first step? Yeah, we have to draw a stick figure with face seeing towards the positive direction. Next step is seeing the first number, a negative number. So we should move backward 3 steps. Now draw the same stick figure at the new position -3. Then for the subtraction action, we have to turn the face of our stick figure towards the positive direction. Now this is the second number 4, positive number. So we should move forward according to the face of the stick figure. First step, second step, third step, fourth step. Now we have moved 4 steps because the absolute value of the second number is 4. So where did we land on? -7. So -7 is the answer. -3 -4 equals -7. Now we are going to see how to subtract the integers without using number line. We simply say the process as CCO, copy, convert, opposite. We can do subtraction by converting the given subtraction statement into addition statement. Copy the first number as it is, convert the subtraction symbol into addition symbol, write the opposite of the second number. Now the given subtraction statement is converted as addition statement. Do the addition to find the answer. Try with some examples. First sum is 6 minus -4. So what is the first step? Copy the first number as it is, copy, then convert the subtraction symbol into addition symbol and write the opposite of the second number. So it is converted as the addition sum. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Second sum, -5 minus 7. So copy the first number as it is, -5. Second step, convert the subtraction symbol into addition symbol, write the opposite of the next number. So -5 plus -7 equals -12. Try with 2 more examples. Third sum, 8 minus -2. A positive number, subtraction, a negative number. What is the first step? Copy the first number as it is, 8. Convert the subtraction symbol into addition. Write the opposite of second number. So it is simple addition. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Fourth one, -9 minus -3. So negative number minus another negative number. So write the first number as it is, copy the first number as it is, and convert the subtraction symbol into addition symbol. Write the opposite of second one. So we add, we will get -6.